The Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate Design is a groundbreaking foldable laptop that redefines mobile computing. It was officially unveiled on May 19, 2025, and is set to be available for sale in China in the first week of June 2025, with global availability to follow. World's first 18-inch foldable PC. The most striking feature is its large 18-inch dual-layer LTPO OLED display, which can fold down to a more compact 13-inch form factor. Huawei utilizes a unique basalt water drop hinge, touted as the world's largest, stretching 285 millimeters. This three-stage shaft with a mortise and tenon structure provides exceptional stability at various viewing angles, 30 degrees to 150 degrees, while ensuring smooth operation at shallow angles, 0 to 20 degrees. It also boasts a 400% increase in hovering torque compared to standard designs. When fully unfolded, the MateBook Fold measures a mere 7.3 millimeters thick, making it thinner than many smartphones. Even when folded, it maintains a relatively svelte 14.9 millimeter profile and weighs just 1.16 kilograms, excluding the keyboard, making it highly portable. A built-in kickstand on the rear panel allows for versatile positioning in both landscape and portrait orientations. The display uses LTPO technology, a first for laptops, which helps reduce power consumption by 30% and enables adaptive refresh rates. When unfolded, it offers a 4:3 aspect ratio with a 3.3K resolution, 3296 by 2472 pixels. When folded, it becomes a 13-inch screen with a 3:2 aspect ratio, 2472 by 1648 pixels. It boasts a peak HDR brightness of 1600 nits and a 2000-1001 contrast ratio. The screen incorporates 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming and holds 2V Rhineland Eye Comfort 3.0 certification for reduced eye strain. Each display is factory calibrated for a delta E of less than 1, ensuring color accuracy for professional creative work. The screen is protected by a non-Newtonian fluid buffer layer and a carbon fiber support layer. The laptop runs on Huawei's own Harmony OS 5, which is designed as a unified system across PCs, smartphones, and other connected devices. It offers seamless integration with other Huawei gadgets and supports a growing ecosystem of PC and integrated applications. Harmony OS 5 includes Huawei's AI, powered by the Pangu model, offering features like document summarization, slide generation, and data retrieval from local files via the Xiaoyi assistant, Celia globally. While the specific chipset hasn't been widely detailed, it's mentioned to be Huawei's Kirin X90, a 100% Chinese-made ARM processor. It comes with 32 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of NVMe PCIe SSD storage. To manage heat in its slim profile, it features ultra-thin diamond aluminum dual fans and an anti-gravity VC heatsink with a copper steel composite 3D vapor chamber. It's equipped with a 74.69 Wh battery and supports 140 watts USB-C fast charging. 6 speakers and 4 microphones provide a versatile audio setup. An 8-megapixel front-facing camera is included for video calls. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, AX, and Bluetooth 5.2 with 2 USB-C ports. The laptop comes bundled with a wireless physical keyboard, 5mm thin, 1.5mm key travel, 290 grams weight that magnetically attaches, as well as carrying cases for both the laptop and keyboard, and a 140-watt USB-C charger. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.